What if I told you that after systematically testing 10 of the most popular natural cleaning hacks circulating online right now, I discovered that some work so extraordinarily well, they permanently replaced commercial products in my home, while others are so completely ineffective that continuing to promote them online borders on deliberately misleading millions of people? What if I showed you exactly which category each hack falls into with documented honest results? No exaggeration in either direction. I went into this testing genuinely uncertain about outcomes, and several results genuinely surprised me. Stay with me to the end, because this saves you from wasting time on methods that simply don't deliver. Why another testing video? You might reasonably wonder why I'm producing another natural cleaning hack testing video when dozens already exist online. The answer is simple. Most existing testing videos aren't genuinely honest. Natural cleaning advocates test hacks expecting to confirm that natural works and frame results generously when performance is mediocre. Skeptics test expecting failure and dismiss results that are genuinely impressive. Neither approach serves people trying to make informed decisions about their cleaning routines. Hack number 1. Baking soda and vinegar for drain cleaning. Result: partially effective with significant caveats. The fizzing reaction creates visual drama suggesting powerful cleaning action. In reality, the acid-base reaction partially neutralizes both compounds, reducing individual effectiveness. Hack number 2. Warm vinegar and dish soap for soap scum. Result: genuinely effective, one of the strongest performers in my testing. The critical detail most tutorials omit is temperature. Warm vinegar dissolved soap scum dramatically more effectively than room temperature vinegar, which underperformed significantly. Hack number 3. Salt and lemon for cutting board stains. Result: genuinely effective for its specific application. Coarse salt provided abrasion, while lemon's citric acid lifted food stains and provided antimicrobial action through acidity. Hack number 4. Newspaper for streak-free windows. Result: works but with important nuances. Newspaper's ink and paper composition does produce relatively streak-free glass when combined with appropriate cleaning solution. Hack number 5. Hydrogen peroxide for grout whitening. Result: one of the most impressive performers in my entire testing. Applied directly to gray-black grout, left 10 minutes, scrubbed lightly. Grout lightened dramatically in single application. Combined with baking soda paste, the effect was even more pronounced. Hack number 6. Coca-Cola for toilet bowl cleaning. Result: mild improvement only. Significantly oversold. The phosphoric acid content does provide some mineral stain reduction, but the concentration is low enough that effects are modest. Hack number 7. Baking soda for carpet odor. Result: genuinely effective as claimed. Sprinkled generously, left overnight, vacuumed thoroughly. Pet odors and general mustiness reduced significantly and stayed reduced for 2 weeks after treatment. Hack number 8. Toothpaste for bathroom grout. Result: limited effectiveness with surface damage risk. White non-gel toothpaste did provide mild grout lightening through mild abrasives and whitening agents. Hack number 9. Rice water for brightening surfaces. Result: minimal measurable effect. Starch content in rice water was theorized to add subtle shine to surfaces. In actual testing across multiple surfaces, results were indistinguishable from plain water cleaning. Hack number 10. WD-40 for removing sticker residue. Result: effective but creates secondary problems. Sticker adhesive dissolved effectively. However, the oil residue left behind requires subsequent cleaning with dish soap, essentially trading one cleaning problem for another. The pattern from all testing. Hacks backed by genuine, specific chemistry delivered consistent results. Hacks promoted based on vague, natural cleaning power language without specific chemical mechanism performed poorly. That's 10 hacks honestly tested. Strong performers include warm vinegar soap scum treatment, salt lemon cutting boards, hydrogen peroxide grout, and baking soda carpet deodorizing. Weak performers include cola toilet cleaning, rice water brightening, and newspaper window cleaning. If genuine testing results served you better than promotional content, smash that like button. Subscribe to The Big Sweep and ring the notification bell for more honestly tested cleaning information. Share with anyone following viral hacks without questioning their effectiveness. Comment which result surprised you most. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, demand evidence, test before trusting, and only use methods backed by real chemistry and honest results.